Hello, and welcome to another wonderful Wired Wednesday. My name is Ashley, and this is Elevate Brain Training. Okay, so now we're going to download the Elevate Brain Training app. So if you are on an Android device, you're going to use the Google Play Store. I am on an Apple iPad right now. If you have an iPhone, anything that's Apple-based, you're going to go into the App Store. Okay, and then we're going to type in Elevate Brain Training, which I've already done here in the search button. And you can see here, there's always an ad up at the top. This one's the actual one as well, but I just go over to the other one here and you can just hit the download button. And if you've already had this app before, it'll just be a cloud with a down arrow. If you haven't had the app before, it'll just say Get next to it on the Apple device. And now we're going to open. So I'm going to hit Get Started. Improve your skills. Train using 40 plus games that improve your writing, memory, speaking, reading, and everyday math skills. So swipe to begin. So if you don't want to know anything about this, you can just skip this, but I'm just going to go through this just to kind of show you. Track your performance. Elevate customizes a training program, analyzes your performance, and tracks your improvement. Supported by research. Games are developed by educational experts and backed by independent analysis. So first, tell us how you'd like to improve. So they're going to ask you some questions and see what you would like to improve on yourself. You might say yes to everything. You might say no to some things. You might say yes and no to certain things. So articulate your thoughts more clearly. Yes. Strengthen your focus while reading. Yes. Improve your writing abilities. Yes. Process written information faster. Yes. Enhance your memory skills. Yes. Calculate more precisely and quickly. Yes. How did you hear about us? So they just want to know how you heard about them. It's for statistical purposes. So for me, it was social media or online ads. And now we're going to take a 1 to 2 minute test to personalize your skill level. So they're going to see where you're at. There's no shame in where you're at because you're going to build on it anyways. So if there's certain things you don't know, it's okay. You just go through, try to answer the best that you can. It's kind of timed in a sense, as in like you'll see that there'll be like the screen will kind of turn kind of like gray, and you'll see like a line coming down the screen. And when that happens, you know that you're kind of running out of time. But you can take it, you just do it. You don't really think about it. Just kind of go with what you think you know. And then from there, they'll kind of tell you where you're at. So I'm going to hit Get Started. So she went blank the store. So I'm going to say to the store. Whose book is this? So whose. Match the word in the image. So protect. Match the word in the image. I think it's pinnacle, but I'm going to guess. Match the word in the image. So melancholy, I would say, because vivacious means like happy and like just, out there. So melancholy. Match the word to the image. So this one I actually don't know. So I'm going to hit I don't know. So then which word doesn't fit? So I would say selfish. Oh, generous doesn't fit because selfish and considerate are both there. What word doesn't fit? Pioneering and ingenious. I would say conventional. Which word doesn't fit? I'm not sure. So I'm going to go to I don't know. And then you're going to do this and you're going to guess and just see. And let's just see. I don't know. So let's just do that. Rate the ability to remember names. So I can always remember people's names pretty well. Details of conversations. Excellent. So determining your skill level in writing, speaking, reading, math, and memory. So it's just giving you an idea. So this is introducing EPQ. Elevate proficiency quotient. So you will be given an EPQ ranging from 0 to 5,000 that represents your proficiency in each skill. So hit Get Results. So here we are. So you can see that I'm okay, I guess, in some things. So basically, this is just one test, and what this is to do is to see where you're at, so you can see where you need to build on. So, so there are definitely things I can build on everything, obviously. You can see here, my memory is pretty decent, which I'm pretty happy about. But you can go through and you can just see here. So I'm going to go finish setting up account. Now you can continue with whatever you'd like. So for this instance, I'm going to continue with email. So you're going to put in your first name, your email address, and then you're going to create a password for this. Okay, and then your age. So I am 35. Oh, password's too short, so we need to have 8 characters for a password. So this is creating a training program. So it's backed by educational science, and it takes just 5 minutes per day. So what you can do is you can actually, you can pay for this if you'd like to. It's $62 a year, and you can unlock everything, or you can just do basically 5 minutes a day, and they'll remind you about it every day for you to do it, and then you can build that way. So it's up to you. So if you want to do everything, you can. If you want to just do the free one, you can do that as well. So we're not going to use the free trial today. So if you don't want to use the free trial, you just hit the X just up on the left-hand side, and then it'll say continue with free account, and you're going to click that, and then you're good. And then get daily reminders to meet your goals. So you can hit allow or don't allow. If you want it to pop up every day and say, hey, by the way, you need to do this today, you can hit allow. Or if you don't want to do that, just hit don't allow. So because I'm on my work, this is my work iPad, I'm going to hit don't allow. And now I'm ready to start using it. So I'm going to go to begin workout. So I'm not going to show you every single workout. I'm going to show you the first one. And then from there you can see, I'll just explain how it works and you can go into that as well. So daily workouts include up to 5 games. Complete them all to finish your training for the day. So I'm going to hit next. So before we get into that, I'm going to hit the X up here for a second. So you can see down along the bottom here, we have today. So basically it's just, you can unlock games as you go. So as you keep going through, you'll unlock games. You can see that. So this is then there's performance here. So you can see this is what I'm at right now because I just took that small test. You can see where my skills are. And then activities. So there's activities here that you can unlock, and you can unlock the study games as well. So that's after you go through. So you have to do 5 more workouts to unlock study materials, and then you can study as well on top of this for free. Going back to performance, though, there's rankings here. So you can see here that finish 3 more workouts to unlock rankings, and then they'll show you where you rank. Your activities here as well, and it'll show you that with like a line graph. Then we go over to activities. So same thing with activities, so you study, you can unlock. And then notifications, if you have notifications for training, you can do that. And then your profile is here. So you can just see, you can do achievements as you go, and you will unlock achievements. So as you can see, I've already gotten, I reached advanced on all of my EPQ levels. So I did that, so you can keep going through that and unlock different things as well. And then you can also share this with a friend. So for example, if you wanted to say, hey dad, you should try this out, and you can share the email invite with them. You can share it on social media so that people can download it as well. And you can kind of talk to people about it and see how they're liking it as well. And then if you just go up to the top right-hand corner, you'll see there's a gear there. And this is just your account settings. So you can see here, you can add training goals in here if you'd like to do that. So if there's one you turn off, you say, I don't really need to improve my thoughts, to articulate my thoughts more clearly. You can just hit that off and it will stop that for you. And then you just go back. And then you can see here that the push notifications are there, sound effects. So there is sound in this game. You won't hear it when I'm doing this because I have headphones in right now to speak for this video. But there is sound effects as well that you can turn on and off if you'd like to do that. And then it gives you a game language as well. So if English isn't your first language, you can also do it in a different language. If you need to help, you can go to help and you can do that. Feedback, if you want to add some feedback, and then you can log out always. If you ever want to actually just unlock, elevate, and upgrade the account, you would just hit on here and then it'll bring you to a payment area as well. So I'm just going to hit the X on that. And then I'm just going to go back here so let's just go back to today. And then this is where you're going to find your workouts for the day. They call them workouts. So this is brevity, so writing. So I'm just going to click on that. So like I said, I'm only going to show you one, but there's 3 games that you can do today. There's sometimes they have math-based ones. There's word-based ones. Pretty much anything that you're trying to, do better, they're on here for you as well. So I'm just going to click that. And this is just giving you an overall view of what it is. So learn to express yourself clearly and concisely, avoid redundancy in your writing, keep a reader's attention by writing more directly. So each one of these games is a little bit different. So I'm just going to hit next. And then this is just giving you instructions. So it says the pencils were exactly identical. So it's saying what word is unnecessary in the sentence. Well, exactly is. So you would tap that and it will take it away. So now I'm just going to hit play. So forever and ever. So it'd be and ever. It is definitely possible, so it definitely can go. The decision was completely unanimous, so I would just say that was completely, so we're going to take completely out. Meet me at 10 p.m. in the evening, so just in the evening can go. She stayed for a period of 3 days, so just say she stayed, so for a period, we don't have to put that in there. After running the marathon, Alice ate the whole entire pizza. So whole entire pizza would be, it used to be whole pizza, or sorry, entire pizza. Her daughter's forehead felt warm to the touch, so she took her temperature. So her daughter felt warm to the touch, so she took her temperature. Yeah, to the touch. So her daughter's head felt warm. The driver proceeded ahead. So once again, so you just do as many as you can within the time that's allotted. And as you can see, I got a high score. So you go tap to continue. And this is where it just kind of gives you an overview of what you've just done. As you go through the days, your score you'll see that you can see where you're at. Like if you've upped your score, etc., it'll show you. So you can just go down here. So my writing is intermediate apparently. So you can see here, this is the difficulty and so on. You can unlock, of course, or want you to unlock to pay money to them. So you can see here, it gives you all of the ones that you got wrong. Oh, I clicked the wrong button here, so you can see here it says 0. So you have to take a second to actually make sure you're putting your finger in the right spot, and that kind of thing. So you can see there I got one wrong out of all those ones there. So then did you find this game helpful? So I'm going to say yes, I did. And then they'll adjust your workouts based on that. So then you go to continue workout. And once again, I'm not going to do this, but I'm going to just show you this. So this is the second one. So this is just reading. So it'll increase your speed. So you hit next. And then it's going to give you the instructions. So you read each word as it appears. And then answer the questions to build your tower. So you just do that. Then you hit play. So pretty much that's the app for you. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me at librarytech@thebluemountains.ca. Have a great day.